The journey of life, your greatest adventure. Life is not just a series of days, it's a remarkable adventure, and you are the hero of this story. Like every hero, you'll face challenges, doubts, and setbacks. But remember this, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, every setback is a setup for a comeback, and every doubt is a chance to discover your courage. 1. You are enough. Stop comparing yourself to others. Their journey is not your journey, and their success does not diminish your worth. You are enough, exactly as you are. The only person you need to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Embrace your imperfections because they make you real. Embrace your quirks because they make you unique. The world doesn't need another copy, it needs you. 2. Fear is a compass. Fear often points to the very thing you need to pursue. The dreams that scare you the most are often the ones that matter the most. Don't run from fear, lean into it. Every great achievement started as a terrifying leap of faith. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's taking action despite it. What's the worst that could happen? You might fail? Great. Failure is just proof that you're trying, and trying is what separates dreamers from achievers. 3. Discipline over motivation. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. There will be days when you don't feel like putting in the effort. Those are the days that count the most. Build habits that align with your goals, and let consistency be your superpower. Remember, a small daily action compounds into massive results over time. Stay disciplined, and success will follow. 4. Surround yourself with positivity. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, challenge you, and inspire you to reach your potential. Let go of toxic relationships that drain your energy. Be the kind of person who brings light into the lives of others, and you'll attract that same energy in return. 5. Dream big, start small. Your dreams are valid, no matter how impossible they may seem. But dreams without action are just fantasies. Break your big goals into small, manageable steps and take that first step today. Success isn't built in a day, it's built daily. Trust the process, and soon you'll look back and marvel at how far you've come. 6. Time is your most precious asset. Every second you spend complaining, doubting, or procrastinating is time you'll never get back. Use your time wisely. Invest it in learning, growing, and creating. Say yes to the things that align with your purpose and no to the things that don't. Your future self will thank you for every productive choice you make today.